All right. What's up, guys? Hope you had a good day of trading. Actually, I didn't have the best days of trading. I lost those $50,000 accounts I was telling y'all about. Kind of bummed about it, but I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna get it back, get all of it back. I'm gonna be making a lot of money one day in the stock market. Watch my words, and y'all will all be able to attest to the days when I start telling y'all, guys, I hit $2,000 a day, I hit $3,000 a day, guys, I hit $20,000 a day. So that's coming. But anyway, y'all are not here for that. Y'all are here for the Tesla analysis, and we are about to get into it right now. Before we get into it, I just want to say one thing: Tesla is going to 300 this year. You've heard it here first. I don't know if anyone else is saying this. I'm saying it. Tesla's going to 300 this year. You bet your bottom dollar. We are going to see $300 at some point before this year is over. Really quickly, I'm not gonna make this video long. I felt like it was only right for me to do a video today because so much has happened. So much has happened from Monday till today that I need to talk about this stuff today. Tesla, we know that Tesla smashed earnings, right? Tesla smashed the earnings. We saw a huge move up. That was just the first catalyst. Yesterday, we had a second catalyst. Jerome Powell got up. He spoke at his conference. He absolutely crushed the conference from a bull's perspective. He actually did very, very well. The market took very well to what he had to say. And guys, welcome. I said this, I think last video before last, but I'll say it again. I feel even more confident now. Welcome to the bull market, guys. The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back in town. We back. It's time to make some real money. Time to really, really do this, guys. So one thing I want to point out about Tesla that is very, very important to note. You can see that we had a nice run up here. Let me get a tool going. I think about $20 when Tesla was about $20. We rallied all the way up to $420, right? We rallied all the way up to 420. So then we came into this area here where we have this huge drawdown, right? Which now looking at it, it's clear to see that this is actually a pullback. Remember, I'm always telling you guys, whenever you have a rally, normally the stock pulls back about 50% of that rally. And as you can see, we're here. We're not quite 50%. I think it went a little bit more than 50%, but it's close enough, right? So we finished this rally. We finished this pullback down, right? Now, after you have a pullback, what happens? We go up and we go past the highest point that we reached before we started the pullback. So guys, we are on our way back to highs that we haven't seen yet. Okay, we're on our way back to highs that we haven't seen yet. I do believe in my heart. We have seen such a sharp pullback in the market, especially on Tesla. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days where Tesla just went red the whole time. These are not days. I said days, but these are months. These are monthly candles. So we have 5 months worth of red activity, and now we have entered into we've entered into the bull market, but we also have started this run back up. So our next target that we're going to hit, according to these fib levels, is going to be 220. That is going to be our next stop. I don't know that we'll get there this month. I think it's definitely a possibility. We're just two days into this month, so there is a possibility, but there's also a possibility that we run into some resistance here at the 200 area. So possible that we run into resistance there. But if we can break through there, we're heading to 220. All right. Then after we hit 220, we're going to be headed to 260. Okay. And this is not going to be that hard for us to get to, right? We're going to get to 260 pretty fast. And then we go from 260, anywhere from 260 to 300. we're gonna make our way there probably in the last quarter of the year or the last half of the year. I believe we'll be on our way from 260 to 300. So I want to show you guys one thing on SPX, which is the market. You see, we had a rally here at about 2,500, all the way to 4,800. Then what do? We're pulling back. Not only are we pulling back, but we're breaking through a trend line here, macro trend line. This was a huge resistance for us. You can even see in this area we really struggled, right? We struggled to break through. We finally did. This month we're showing some strength. Looks like I said we were heading to 4,200, I think the last video, but even before that video, I was saying we were headed to 4,200. And we finally we didn't hit it exactly, but we came really, really close and we rejected a little bit. Again, only 2 days into this month. So I definitely think we're going to push through 4,200. I think we're going to make our way up to 4,300. I don't know that we'll hit it. I just think we will probably in this area, we might just kind of stall out in this area. That's my assumption. But we are in the bull market. Guys, I'm super excited. When I got into this game, I got into the game in May 2021. So May 2021. So I got in around here. And when you're getting started, you don't really know anything about the market. You just kind of getting in stuff and you just trying to learn what you can. So when I got in kind of late, and then I only experienced the bull market for just a little bit, but it wasn't enough, for me to really understand it. And then the next thing you know, I'm into this bear market. So I'm really excited to actually be in a bull market, see how a bull market goes, and excited to make some real money. So guys, like I'm saying, and this if you look at this chart, this looks very similar to Tesla. Look at this. Look how similar it. You got the rally up, you got the pullback. If I go to SPX, you got the rally up, you got a pullback. This looks a little bit cleaner, but still the same thing. Rally up, pullback, and now we're getting ready to go higher. We're gonna see 5,000 guys probably by next year. Sometime next year we'll see new highs. It's gonna be great. So I think that's gonna probably end this video, guys. I'm really excited about what we are going to see in the market. I'm excited about Tesla. Tesla is a beast. Still very cheap. So if you are looking to get in and hold it for a year or two, I think, I'm not a financial advisor, but definitely this is a great time to get in. We're definitely seeing the turnaround for Tesla, seeing us going back up. And I think we'll hit 300 this year. And I think probably by next year, we'll be close to the highs up here, if not higher than that. So, guys, just buckle up. It's gonna be such a great ride from here on out. I'm just glad we're out of the bear market. I'm glad we're going into the bull market. The bulls are back in town, and everything's looking good, man. Everything's looking pretty good. So if we don't get anything catastrophic like another COVID or a war or something, we should be very, very good to see things go up, and that is just awesome. Anyway, I'm rambling right now, so guys, thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, man, just subscribe. You might as well. Hope you got some kind of value from what I'm saying or what I've been saying, and that's going to be it. Until next time. Peace.